Struggling to get noticed online? It can be really frustrating, right? Here's how to turbocharge your SEO game today. First up, keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find what folks are searching for. Sprinkle these keywords naturally throughout your content for best results. Next, don't forget about meta descriptions. That's the little snippet that shows up under your link on search engines. Make it catchy and include your main keyword for better visibility. Another tip, optimize your images. Use descriptive file names and alt text that includes keywords. This helps search engines understand what your images are about. Got a blog? Great. Update old posts with new information and keywords. Search engines love fresh content. Keep it updated and don't underestimate the power of internal links. Link to other pages on your site. It keeps visitors around longer and helps search engines crawl your site better. Finally, speed matters. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to make sure your site loads quickly. Nobody likes a slow website. Speed is crucial. So there you have it. Quick SEO tips to get your site noticed. Try them out and watch your traffic soar. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments. Happy optimizing.